Hello everyone and welcome back to the CG Lab. Today, I'm going to share with you how to take a hand-drawn fashion design, sketch and use technology like artificial intelligence and augmented reality to bring your designs to life. Let's get started. If your computer has a high-end GPU like an NVIDIA RTX 4090 or better, you can install a free open-source AI tool called ComfyUI. This tool can generate unlimited photorealistic images from your hand-drawn fashion sketches. You can start with an image template called Qwen Image, Edit. Just upload your sketch to the Upload Image for Editing node. Then, in the Prompt node, enter your descriptive text. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result will be. My prompt described a fashion show with a model wearing pink and white sportswear. Once you connect the prompt to the right node, a powerful graphics card will process it very quickly. For this demo, using an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, it took about 226 seconds to achieve this result. The benefit of ComfyUI is the ability to generate images for free, infinitely. Each AI generation can be different. In my opinion, the quality of the result depends about 70% on the detail and wording of your prompt, and about 30% on luck. After generating the image, we can use another template in ComfyUI under the video category, Qwen 2.2.14, B image to video, to turn our generated picture into an animation or video clip. The next step is to place the image we created from the last step into the Load Image node. After that, navigate to the Clip Text Encode node, where you will input your positive prompt describing what you want to see. Simply write Fashion Show in the prompt and set the desired video resolution. For faster generation, do not set the resolution too high. For example, use 848 by 480 pixels. Then, click Run. After a short wait, about 179 seconds, even faster than generating the image, the video is ready. However, the playback might not seem smooth because we forgot to change the default FPS. That stands for frames per second. Simply change the FPS from 16 to 25, meaning 25 frames per second. For a 5-second video, you would need 5 multiplied by 25, which is 125 frames. Running it again with more frames takes longer, about 260 seconds. Each generation can produce a different result, with the key factors being your prompt content and a little bit of luck. Now, we can take a look at the generated result. But if you have a specific action in mind, I recommend another open source AI model, also free to use extensively, called 1.2.1 Base Multitalk FusioniX 14B, after installing the software Pinokio. In that you can install the app 1.2.1. This allows you to generate videos based on the movements from a reference video. You can film the reference video yourself or download one from the internet. In Control Video Process, select Transfers Human Motion. Then inject reference images. Choose People, Objects, and upload your image under Reference Images. Select Keep Background behind all reference images. Since the character in this video does not need to speak, I'll select None for voices. Of course, you can add an audio file, and the character will lip sync, but I won't do that for this demo. Since our control video is 5 seconds long, we need to set the number of frames to 125. To generate the video faster, you can set step skipping to T-cache and set skip step cache to around x2.5 speed up. Then click Generate. After a moment, the video is complete. You can see the generated movements are based on the reference video, like the same turning motion. These are all effects achieved with 1.2.1. If your computer setup is not ideal and your GPU is not very powerful, you can still generate AI images and videos as long as you have an internet connection. Next, I'll introduce a few AI websites. One of them is LMArena.ai. This website allows you to use many different AI tools for comparison. I will use two well-known AI models. First, select Nano Banana, and then select seedream 4. First, click on the image icon, then drop your image here and enter a detailed prompt describing the image you want to generate. Finally, click the upward arrow to send LMArena. We'll then use both AI models simultaneously to generate two images for you to compare. But unfortunately, seedream had some issues and didn't work this time, leaving only Nano Banana. Let's try again to see if it works better. Then select side by side again, then choose two different AIs for comparison. First Nano Banana, then seedream 4. This time, I'll upload several photos. The AI can merge them to create your desired effect. For instance, I want the model to wear sunglasses and a pink hat, and the AI will produce that result. However, for better results, using the official seedream 4 website is more effective than using it within LMArena. Let's try the official seedream 4 website. The advantage of the official site is the ability to generate 4K high-definition images, whereas LMArena.ai produces lower-definition results. To use the seedream 4 official website, you need to log in by scanning a QR code with the TikTok app on your phone. Once logged in, you can see some tests I did earlier. The results were quite good. Let me demonstrate again. Using the same images, the results from the official seedream 4 site are better than those from the previous website. First, upload a picture of the hat, then the sunglasses, and finally the image generated by the seedream AI. Merge the three pictures to create one effect. In just a few minutes, you get the 4K result. This time, however, there was a slight issue. The result is not perfect. It is a bit strange, but still interesting. Since it is not quite right, I will generate it again. While this is not what I wanted, it still came out looking gorgeous. The hat and sunglasses look so real and stylish together. Alright, let's run it again and see how it turns out this time. This time, the result is much better. The 4 generated images are quite consistent, except one where the model seems to blend into a crowd. The others are good and can be downloaded if you like them. You can then take these pictures to another site, Grok, for free video generation. Just log in with your Google account. Upload your generated photos into the Imagine section, and it will automatically create a video. You can input some prompts to guide the output. The resulting effect looks like this. Let me demonstrate again using the photos from seedream. Upload them to Imagine. It will automatically generate a fashion show video. You can also choose some fun styles to play with. All these are videos generated by Grok. Besides Grok, you can use a domestic tool called Kling AI. For this, you need to have the ComfyUI app installed to scan the QR code for login. After logging in, select the video generation and upload your recent photos. You can then use the built-in DeepSeek to help generate or refine your prompts. If you are unsure what to write, Kling can suggest 3 options. Choose the one you like best and click Use Prompt. I think this one is nice. Then click Generate. Kling AI is a paid service, while Grok is free. Paid AIs generally offer better quality and can sync lip movements or offer more features. If you want your model to speak, you can use Kling AI to add the audio, and it will match the lip movements. Besides Kling AI, Runway AI has similar features. Let me show you the results from Runway AI. Beyond AI, I will now use augmented reality to enhance your hand-drawn designs. If you relearn the clothes, you can use it to design the garments. Once you have the clothing and a 3D model, you can export it in GLB format for AR. The GLB format is specifically for AR use. Then upload the GLB format 3D model you just exported to create an AR effect. After exporting, you can go to the website, mybar.com. Again, log in with your Google account. On your first login to mybar.com, you will need to provide some personal details like your company website, country, and industry. After submitting, click Create New Project. Any option without a Red Pro. Icon is free to use. Select Art in the real world. Click the plus sign on the 3D model and upload the GLB file exported from Clove. Adjusting the lighting inside will significantly improve the result. The default lighting often lacks depth. I recommend adding 2 lights, one warm and one cool light. For the warm light, you might choose a reddish tone, and for the cool light, a blue tone opposite to it. This creates a more 3-dimensional effect. If you have photography or studio lighting experience, you can apply those principles here for ideal results. After setting up the lighting, you can publish it online. Simply use your phone to scan the QR code, and you can view the 3D effect in your own space. That is all for today. See you next time.